Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, Full Front is all about making business concepts simple, relatable, and most importantly, practical. And in today's video, we're going to talk about something extremely valuable for any entrepreneur or manager, the business model canvas. After publishing our guide on business plan writing, we received a few messages from subscribers who still felt intimidated by the business plan itself or felt a little bit overwhelmed. They were looking for something simpler and quicker to expose and visualize their business ideas. A business model refers to how a business makes money. It covers everything from who the customers are and what is offered to them to all the parts that are joined together to make it all work. The business model canvas is a straightforward one-page tool that helps you visualize, design, and iterate your existing business model. It's useful whether you're starting something new or for any business you're currently running. While the business model canvas is widely used by students, consultants, and entrepreneurs, its origins are less commonly known. The canvas was created by Alexander Osterwalder, a Swiss business theorist, while on his PhD research, alongside his supervisor, Yves Pionnier. Has tried to find a way of mapping out business models without going to the cumbersome work of coming up with a business plan. Alexander intrinsically believed that companies that better understood business models and business model portfolios would basically outcompete everybody else. Since then, they tried to come up with a visual tool that would enable entrepreneurs to be able to prototype their business model just like architects would prototype buildings. After the PhD research, Alexander and Eve wanted to spread the word even more. So they synthesized all the information and decided to come up with a handbook called Business Model Generation, based on the design thinking methodology to help entrepreneurs shape their business models. The business model canvas allows you to connect your idea to the steps needed to turn it into a successful venture, clearly visualize and share your business idea or the story of your current business model, design and manage new models, whether you're a startup or established company. The business model canvas is composed of 9 main elements, starting with customer segment, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, cost structure. Don't worry, we are going to walk through all these sections with you just in a bit. Let's start with customer segments. This is all about identifying the different groups of people or organizations your business aims to serve. Think about who your main customers are. Are they businesses, consumers, or maybe even a niche community? The key here is to be specific. The more information you have about who your customers are, the easier it is to tailor your services or products to meet their needs. Next up is value propositions. This is the heart of your business model, the unique value you are offering to each customer segment. Ask yourself, what problem are you solving for them? Or what need are you fulfilling? Your value proposition is what sets you apart from the competition. Whether it's an amazing customer service, an unbeatable product, really crazy pricing, whatever. Make sure that you identify what is going to make your business stand out. Channels are the ways you deliver your value proposition to your customers. How do they find out about your product? How do they buy it? And how do you deliver it to them? This could be through physical stores, online platforms, or direct sales. The key is to identify the most effective ways of reaching your customers and ensure that they have a consistent experience throughout all the channels. Customer relationships are about how you interact with your customers. Is your approach personal or automated? You focus on building a community, or it's more transactional? Think about how you're going to retain customers and build loyalty. This could be through a personalized service, loyalty programs, or different community engagement initiatives. Revenue streams. This is where the money comes in. Here, you outline how your business makes money. Is it through direct sales, subscriptions, licensing, or something else? Don't limit yourself by how your business will make money now. Feel free to explore future opportunities. Building different revenue streams is key to make sure that you increase the resilience and robustness of your business. Key resources are the assets you need to make your business model work. This could be physical resources, intellectual property, human resources, or financial capital. Essentially, you are listing everything that you need to deliver on your value proposition, reach your customers, and ensure that your business runs smoothly. Key activities are the most important things your business must do to succeed. What do you need to focus on to deliver on your value proposition? This could be product development, marketing, sales, or supply chain management. Depends on your industry. Key partnerships are the external companies or people you work with to achieve your business goals. This would include suppliers, distributors, or even strategic alliances with other businesses. Remember, you don't have to do everything yourself. Good partnerships can help you leverage on other people's strengths and resources to fill existing gaps in your business model. Last but not least, the cost structure. This is where you outline all the costs involved with operating your business. Understanding your cost structure helps you manage your finances and ensure that your business remains profitable. And there you have it, the 9 building blocks of the business model canvas. By filling each one of these sections in, you're going to get an overview of how your business model works. Find the template in the description section and get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with anyone who you feel might benefit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.